I'm Holly, and this video is about a simple charcoal soap that I made using just 3 oils I purchased at the grocery store, plus activated charcoal powder and a lavender mint blend of essential oils. You'll find the recipe at the end of this video, and all of the other links and information will be listed in the description box below. This recipe was based on the 3 oil soap I made several years ago. It's a simple soap that I really liked, so I thought I'd use the same recipe for this soap. Soap making involves the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow lye safe handling procedures during the entire soap making process. Always work in a well-ventilated area and never stand directly over the container or breathe any of the fumes. I added the activated charcoal directly to the oils and blended it in before adding the lye. I wanted a medium gray soap with white lather, so I added 1/3 teaspoon activated charcoal per 500 grams of oil in the recipe. I oven processed the soap as I normally do so that it would gel completely and could be removed from the mold as soon as possible. I removed it from the oven the next morning and left it covered on the counter until the next day. I unmolded and cut the soap 48 hours after making it. This is a cold process soap, so I left the top of lye set to sodium hydroxide, or NaOH. My recipe oil weight was 1150 grams. My lye concentration was set to 35%, which means my lye solution consisted of 35% sodium hydroxide and 65% distilled water. I set the superfat to 6%, and my fragrance usage rate was 40 grams per kilogram. Once you have everything entered, you just select to calculate the recipe, then to view or print it. SoapCalc will give you a really nice listing of all of your ingredients, including the amount of sodium hydroxide required to saponify your oils. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found something useful here to help you in your soap making.